question in which we have been asked the value of x. We have a figure here. So in such questions, how should we start? That's always one of the questions for the people who are just starting their preparation. So the suggestion to them is, when you see the numbers and whatever property you see in the question can be used, you should just simply start using them. For example, here we see a right angle triangle in which we have two sides, 10 and 26. So if I start marking these places A, B, C, D, E, I am quickly taking one of the triangles, triangle CBE. And since the sides are related with the Pythagorean triplet, I can call it that BC will be equal to square root of 26 square minus 10 square. 26 square is 676 minus 10 square, that means 100, becomes square root of 576. So that becomes 24. That's the first basic information that we have been able to derive. That means I'll quickly write BC is equal to 24. Now, we are going to use the similar such exercise for another triangle. That means now we have triangle ACD, in which we know that AC should be equal to square root of 25 square, which is the hypotenuse, minus 7 square. So that becomes square root of 625 minus 49. If you simplify this, it once again becomes the square root of 576, which is equal to 24. That means now the AC is also equal to 24. The moment you get such information, you should always mention them in the figure. So having the figure handy is one of the most important exercises. Now when you have the figure, you can see that these two sides each has length is equal to 24. That means this triangle ACB becomes an isosceles triangle. The beauty of isosceles triangle is that two sides are equal and the angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal. So since we have this angle 65 degrees, so angle B also becomes 65 degrees. That means sum of these two angles becomes 130 degrees, and when we subtract that 130 degrees from 180 degrees, then we get the value of x equal to 50 degrees. So the answer is option C. So that's how we answer the question. Thank you so much for watching this video.